Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an Ipsy unbagging. This is for June of 2024. I just kind of opened it. I didn't look. Oh, I got some here. Oh, I know I got a email tell me what's in it, but I don't remember. Oh, okay. Oh, I got a card this time with prices. I like that. I think I picked something, but I don't remember if I did or not. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I had one thing outside the bag. Here is the bag. It's a different feel. It is like sports fabric. It's definitely waterproof. It'd be a great little beach bag. Maybe I'll do something with that. Let's see what I got in here. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it would be something like you could carry to the beach. Or this print's not really me, which you wouldn't think, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Not my favorite, not the worst, but all right, let's go in order of what's on my card here. And like I said, I don't remember. I remember what I picked now. I see it on him. Okay. First Aid Beauty Brighten and Glow Moisturizer with Vitamin C. Here we go. It's moisturizer. Yeah. This light and refreshing gel cream, I like gel creams this time of year, is just what the skin ordered. Made with vitamin C, papaya, ginger extract, and peach micro pearls. Wow. Okay. Good enough. Next, the Balm Under Eye Super Jelly. The Balm to the rescue. I haven't heard a lot from the Balm in quite a long time. You used to hear a lot about them. I don't know if I can, there we go. I didn't know if I could get that sort of in. Make sure I'm in focus. Let's see what this says. Basically, this jelly is the jam. Formulated with camu, a potent source of vitamin C, and algae. This superfruit under eye super jelly delivers a mega dose of anti-aging, antioxidant protection while also helping to reduce under eye circles. Okay, I didn't tell you, the full size of this is $17, which is 15 mil. I can't even read how many mils that is. It's so small. And the moisturizer full size is $44, 1.7 ounces. This is 0.34 ounces. So just a little over a quarter of an ounce on that one. Now this was what I chose. Yenza Beauty Super Serum Foundation in medium 2. I don't know if this is going to be too dark for me. I'm going to open it. It's got a safety on it. I don't think there was a lot of choices left in color, but I was just going to go for it. See if this could be a summer. I think so. I'm starting to get color. I can see I'm starting to get some tan. Okay, I think that works just fine. I think that'll be just fine for this summer. This serum foundation is supercharged with skin-loving peptides and anti-aging complex, a vitamin C and E, ferulic acid, and bok choy oil. This combo works together to help brighten, firm, and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, it's full coverage and leaves a flawless finish. Alright, it's $45 for 30 mil. It's so small, I can't read how much is in that. It's $45 for the full size. Okay, and then I got this Sophia and Mabel Too Pretty palette in Sunlit Sand. Cut the plastic. Here we go. What are we looking at? highlighter and bronzer. I'm not gonna open this. I got highlighter and bronzer. I got highlighter. I got highlighter. I got highlighter. And I got highlighter. So my last 5 Ipsy bags have highlighter. I think I need to contact somebody. I'm gonna say, listen, just listen. 5 times in a row I've gotten highlighter. I have enough highlighter to last me for the rest of my life. I don't need any more highlighter. Yeah, and it's a full size. It's $22. Thank you for the full size highlighter. But this size highlighter is enough highlighter to last me for quite a while. Okay. And the last thing, Chica Beauty Eyeshadow Shader Brush. And this is full size. It's $10. It's not bad. Feels a bit lightweight, but it's not bad. Time to pack on the color with this eyeshadow brush. Yeah. Tip. Dip the brush into your favorite eyeshadow and gently pat it on your lids. I would have not known that if they had not gave me that handy dandy. Let me see if I can get a... There's a tip down there. You see that? You got it? You got it. Dip it in the brush in the shadow and then tap it on your eyes. Nice. This seems like it'd be a nice brush. So, yeah. I can't believe I got another freaking highlighter. I'm not kidding. Every bag I get a highlighter. I'm gonna go in, fill out the review. I'm gonna contact somebody and say, I don't want any more highlighters. Can you please not send me another highlighter? Did I tell you this brush was $10? Alright, that's my bag. I'm okay with it except for the other highlighter. I don't mind they sent me a full-size highlighter and bronzer. But they sent me all these other highlighters ahead of time. You know, I'm not going to open this. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Am I going to keep it? I don't know. I think it's too dark for most of my family. My family's pretty fair. Maybe I'll pass some of the smaller ones on to like nieces. Maybe I'll do that. Or maybe I'll hang on to this one. Because I can get pretty tan in the summer. I can get some color. Where my nieces, pretty much all of them they stay really fair. So, anyway, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got in your bag. How many highlighters has Ipsy sent you? That's what I'd like to know. And this year, how many highlighters have you received? Since I got the bag back, started getting it back, I've had one every bag. So I'd like to know. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.